by now. Very different from when it started. A bit firm, but now I'm going to incorporate my butter. I'm going to incorporate my butter in third. Okay? Now roughly 1, 2, 3. And you're going to start by simply stretching that, like making a pizza. I mean, it would be a very fat pizza, more like a deep pan side style there, like a Chicago style deep pan pizza. Okay, and you're going to put the first third of butter, unsalted butter, in the middle of your dough, and you're going to cover it with the other half of your dough. Okay, so it looks like a Cornish pasty, but the comparisons stop at that. Now I'm going to incorporate it. And for this, it's like really stretching your thumb, so you're getting into the dough. It's no point going like this. I would take ages. Your butter is just rolling around in the dough, but not really being incorporated. So you really go into it, like shredding that dough is absolutely acceptable. It's nothing wrong when it gets like this. Right, that's first third is done. So you move on to the second third. I'm going to bury it in my dough. I'm going to do the same thing. Stretching. And rolling back. Nice smell of butter, sugar, and yeast there. Lovely. And I'm going to start again. This time I'm going to go further than just incorporating it. I'm going to try to put my dough back together. Like this wouldn't be very good for a scroll. I'm scraping because you see now I'm spreading that dough all over the place. But it's getting back to what it was before, just being a little bit more elastic, bit wetter, softer because of the butter, the moisture or the water content in your butter, making it less dry than it was. No, you see? Coming back to what it was. Easy to roll on the table, up and down, right, left, center. You can change hands. Again, that sort of folding and pushing away motion. There we go, a bit of slapping as well, which helps to extend also the gluten, you see. To make sure that that dough, when you're going to roll it on the table, will be easy to handle and manage.